Okay, we got lots of cases from Caseology, which is a sub-brand, or is it sister brand of
Sister-brand or
Spigen?
subsidiary, but yeah, they are
related.
from Spigen.
And we got two phones with us, so the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and also the Z Flip 5, just to show you that they are indeed the real thing, show you the gap. And yeah, all of these cases, they literally send us the entire portfolio of what they have, except for the screen protector, which is the same one as the Spigen.
The one we have is the glass
Yeah, the Easy Glass Fit TR. I don't know how to pronounce
Easy
it.
Fit. Both of the Z4 and Z Fit, they are using the Easy Fit.
Yeah, I
Screen
bought this.
protectors.
You bought this as well,
Yeah,
which is good. And Caseology also sells the same thing, as far as I know. I saw it on their website.
Correct.
And here is a card. Caseology. Thanks, Brianna, for sending us all of the cases. They really did send from California, so yay, thanks. So let's unbox each of them and have a look on the phone. So we got
total 9.
7 of them for the Z Flip 5. So we got 2 different designs across 7 colors.
7
And then,
colors.
yeah, the fold is quite limited. We only have 1 design, but we got both
two
the colors, so grey and black. We'll keep the fold for the last. I'll timestamp everything down below for you to see if you want to directly skip to that. Starting with the flip cases, which one do you want to go for first?
We start with the design number 1. So
I should stack all of these first,
yeah,
okay?
stack them up. Do we have
I think this would be very suitable since it is mint. The one that we have here is also in mint color. One thing I still want to comment about the Z Flip 5. You choose the color that you want and it's only going to be shown here, which is
only at the back? Yes, that
very
is
limited.
Fold 4 and Flip 4, they have this bespoke.
Yes.
That you can customize the frame color as well, right?
This one, they don't have that.
Not yet, but not sure if they will bring back the bespoke design.
I hope they do, maybe in a month or two. So the box here, everything is just in this plastic bag. I would like to highlight that it is environmental friendly packaging, carbon neutral product, all of those good stuff. And inside here, of course, I can already see a big pack of adhesive.
Yes, because of the design of the phone itself, the case will definitely need adhesive to keep it, attached to the phone. Otherwise, some of the parts, for example, nearby the hinge, they will easily get snap off if you're not careful.
Or if you're holding it like this, then the case will slide off.
Yes.
That would be even worse. So the installation procedure is easy. They just tell you to remove the sticker on the adhesive, then you can stick it to your phone.
Yeah, so they have stickers pre-applied to the case.
Yeah, and please be cautioned not to slide in your device because the adhesive won't work that way. Installation procedure once more, and also removal, real easy. And of course, they give you this big piece here is adhesive replacement, or maybe if you just want to add more.
Yeah.
Okay, so cleaning pads, real simple. The back of the case here and the front of the case.
Ooh, nice.
Nice, real nice. So, okay, this is the Parallax series. The other one is the Nano Pop series, which is this one. We'll show you the differences later. And without removing the adhesive,
just
which
show you how it looks like.
Yeah.
When attached.
Here it is.
How does it fit with the screen protector at the front? Does it have
100% fit.
Wow.
This is very nice. You can see here.
Here's the thing, because if you apply screen protector at the front, some third-party cases might interfere with the glass screen protector.
This one, you can see it's perfectly fit. 100% no issues at all. Then this case, I would say the texture is real nice. So it has some
dimples. Is it dimples or
gems? I don't know. It feels like those hexagonal gem shaped thing, but just indents instead of protruding outwards. Indents. Then this one is a sandy texture, a bit rough. Then you also have lines here so that it can improve your grip. The volume buttons are real nice.
The power button, they have ink grooves,
scalps.
I don't know. Your finger will fit in nicely.
Yeah, and then this part here is also with dimples. Not really sure why, but okay. And overall look and feel, real nice. I really like this.
Is that the stand at the back?
Oh, you cannot remove this, as far as I know.
Oh, okay.
So it's just a piece of
so it's just
branding.
a band that...
So Caseology's logo, and then Caseology's name is here, real subtle. And that's it.
Yeah, let's have a look at the other colors. Like,
Okay.
straight away compare the colors.
We shall look at the other colors of that first, so I'll skip the Nano Pop for now. So 2 more colors for the Parallax series. We got the grey color.
This is grey.
This is grey.
It doesn't look grey to me, more like brownish. Is it brownish?
Honestly, I don't really know the name of this color. Let me see. I am not sure. Let me check. They call it ash grey.
Oh, ash grey.
Yeah. Does this look ash grey to you? I think it does. Grey, a bit brownish. You know what? If you buy whatever color of the Galaxy Z Flip 5, you can just buy this kind of case and literally transform it to whatever color you want. 100%.
Bespoke.
Bespoke, yes. So this is the ash grey color.
Ash grey.
I would have to say it doesn't really match this hinge cover. But yeah, that is because Samsung gave you this silver hinge protector. Overall,
Looks good. What about the other? Looks like burgundy red.
this one is not really burgundy red. They're calling it, or they are really calling it burgundy.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, good color sight you have. So burgundy color is kind of purple.
Wow, wow, wow.
So do you like this burgundy? Actually, it looks very nice.
Very nice. Very striking.
Especially with these.
Yes, it is not the... Is it?
Yeah, you can see.
They have different color scheme for the back.
So you can see the mint color has this silver band here for the logo. The ash grey color also has this kind of slightly brownish but still quite silvery color. And then ambulance going by.
Rose.
We have this one. I'm not sure if it's rose gold. It's definitely not as pink as rose gold, but it is a hint of peach.
Peach, yeah. I mean, a good complementary with the burgundy red
Yeah,
color.
good attention to detail. So let me just put on the phone for a while.
Again, this is just for demo. If you really want to use the case, you better take the adhesive protectors off.
Yeah, and don't put the case like I do because this is
Yeah, this is not the right
not the right way. Very haphazardly put on the phone. So everything fits okay, of course. Everything is nicely positioned, nicely cut out. I would say the burgundy color looks really striking.
Yes. Wow.
Real nice, right?
It's really, really nice. So let's check out the other pop. Was it? Pop case.
Nano Pop.
Nano Pop.
So I'll leave all of the
we'll leave
Parallax
this aside.
series here first.
And
Okay.
check out which color.
Which
To start
color?
with.
We got green on green, we got grey on dark blue, yellow on dark blue, and purple on purple.
I think the yellow on blue is their key design.
Probably. This is very striking color.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go with this first.
Let's start with that. You're gonna see all the features and design they have done with this particular case. I think
So-
the packaging should be the same.
Should be the same. You still have adhesive, cleaning packs, installation guide. Even the layout of the packaging is identical, but the design
Just
and
the
material
case
has
itself.
changed. Oh, okay. So you got a big piece here for the back. This is in a very smooth material.
Smooth material.
Smooth-ish, you can hear, I think.
Oh, this is different.
Very different.
And apparently they have like grippy edges on the side.
Oh, they do. This is like what, double shot plastic.
Yes,
It is, right?
Double shot.
Double shot plastic. So you have creepy dimples on this side here. They are very pronounced,
Yes.
which is good. So that you can
helps.
hold it like this.
It helps with your grip on the phone itself. Consider that the Flip 5 is very slippery by itself, and it's too thin to my taste.
Too thin.
Yes.
Okay.
The
Then
phone itself.
I want to compare a bit. So you can see this front piece of the
Yeah.
Nano Pop series here. This is completely flush, whereby for the Parallax series, there are dimples here. So that's one big difference. But the color contrast is real nice. So let's put on the phone.
Oh wow.
Oh wow, indeed. The only branding that they have is this small branding. And also
Very subtle,
Caseology
very
here.
nice.
Very subtle, real nice. So the grip, oh, okay, the rounded feeling here makes it feel so nice with these dimples here.
Wow.
I like it.
Overall, do you think the Nano Pop is thicker or the other
Yes,
was
I do feel the Nano Pop is thicker,
slightly thicker?
but it is more rounded around the sides. So you can see for this
correct.
this Parallax series here, it's more angular around
Angular.
the sides.
And also, I think the back is more, how to say, the finish itself is completely different
Yes, it is
with the,
very different.
yeah.
So
The Parallax feels like you're, well, it's difficult to tell, but it's like those soft plastic, softer plastic.
yes, soft touch material.
Yeah,
So
but
you
it's
can
actually
see
not.
the differences between the Parallax on my left and also the Nano Pop series on my right. They are very different.
Yes, from here I can see the Nano Pop is definitely slightly thicker than the Nano Pop.
So you can see from this side as well. One is circular-ish. This one is more angular in terms of thickness. Yep. This one is definitely slightly thicker.
Holding it by the phone itself is really, it feels slightly thicker.
You can definitely feel it when you hold it.
Yeah.
So next color, or do you want to speed run that?
Yeah, open all the colors.
Okay, let's just speed run all of these three colors. For the Nano Pop series, I should put this here as well, all four colors.
Not sure if they have more color options on their website, but if there is, you can check the link down in the description, I believe. So
I'll leave everything down in the description for you guys, including purchase links if you are interested. So, what's your favorite color for this series, Nano Pop?
Nano Pop, I think the yellow on blue is very, very striking color.
Our third guy here says this is
I
nice
think
as well.
follow closely by the purple, I guess,
Purple.
or the green. It's difficult choice.
Okay.
But the gray on black is a bit too
Plain.
plain when you put them side by side like this.
Yes.
So it is really up to the user's preference. If you want something stands out, then there is. If you want something more minimalist and stealthy, yeah, you have the black and gray. So yeah, as for the other series, what do you call this again?
This is the Parallax.
Parallax. I think the burgundy red is very, very nice.
Burgundy.
Yeah.
So you like burgundy. For this series, I think I'll go for
The main color is very close to the original color. So if you are purchasing the main color option, the Z Flip 5, and you want to keep the color scheme, this is a very good choice.
I agree.
You don't have to worry about the color difference there. You can just put them side by side. You can see the color matches like almost there. So
very nice color. Oh wait, I
what?
don't know which case adhesive flew into your phone. Okay,
Moving on.
yeah, done with the Flip series. So now on with the Fold. For the Fold, it's a lot simpler. Again, Parallax series, 2 colors. So we got the same textures as this one as well. So we will just unbox both of them and compare both the colors as well. So this is the black color, they call it matte black.
Matte black.
So packaging is the same, adhesive alongside with all of these cleaning pads and whatnot. Installation guide. Okay, they have to do it differently for the phone. That is your matte black color, and then this one is ash gray. I would really like the mint color for the phone. This sandy texture here is available on both sides, top and bottom. And then camera cutout is kind of tall, definitely will protect your cameras. And then the front piece here is...
Yeah, because of the phone, the Fold 5 design, you will have to...
I'm very used to this. So I am using the Spigen glass fit TR screen protector as well, so it fits perfectly fine. And one thing I like about this case immediately is how thin this piece is.
Most of the other cases, they tend to have very tall lips.
Yeah, like this case that I was using, link at the top right corner there. This front piece here is very thick to the point that gesture navigation is a problem. So this thinner one is real nice. And then for the back piece here, yeah, I do have the icy blue color for the Z Fold 5. So this contrast is interesting, I would say. Kind of looks nice as well. And as stated earlier, camera bump protection is real nice. All of the cutouts are also proper. There is no hinge protection, which is okay for me, and it looks very nice. Also has the same grippy lines at the sides here. The cutout here also not as thick as the other case that I have, so easier to feel around, much more comfortable. I can do this without actually hurting my palm.
Yes.
Yeah, very nice case. I really like the ash grey color, but let's also put the matte black color
and see how it contrasts with the icy blue design.
Anything will go well with black. It's just that it's a bit plain in my opinion. So it looks a lot more professional.
It's a lot more contrasty, especially with all the silver bits at the side.
Yep. Looks very nice, and of course very grippy at the back as well because of the material. Fantastic. So overall, the cases is high quality, really high quality. Lots of colors, which is something that I really like.
I think the Z Flip 5, all the options and different color would entice especially when the Z Flip 5 is so easy to get nowadays. It's not like back then you have to back order everything, and they have limited quantity of the phone itself. And I think the price is quite affordable as well for the phone. So I believe the Z Flip 5 the cases itself is also part of the reason why they have all these choices around.
Yes, and you can also customize the wallpaper to further match the colors of the cases. So very good complementary thing to go alongside. If you are thinking of getting Spigen cases for their high quality, but you don't really like their professional look because of the mostly black and white color scheme, then you can have a look at their sub-brand, sister brand, Caseology. Lots of colors to choose from, and overall quality is still very Spigen level. Very nice high quality material stuff. And of course, they also provide you a bunch of adhesive if you want to reapply or maybe strengthen the case on the phone. So overall, nice quality.
Nice quality, really nice. It's by Spigen anyway, so
yeah,
you can always trust that.
I have been a Spigen fan for a very long time. Screen protector is always Spigen.
Yes, especially screen protector, always Spigen.
Always Spigen.
Easy to install.
So anything else to add, sir?
No? I think that's it.
Yeah,
I think the price all will be listed here.
Yeah, I don't know. I forgot the price. So
yeah, never mind. The price will be here.
Yeah, the price is on the screen, and then all of the purchase links down below. I will only leave you to one of the colors because either way, the entire description will be filled with stuff. So one color for each, and that's it. I hope you like this video. If you have any other questions, do leave them down in the comment section below. High quality cases, yeah. we'll return with more cases for both these phones, so
Yeah.
stay tuned for that.